जो चाइनीज़ जितनी भी गुड्स हैं, जितने भी उनके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, जिन भी कंपनीज़ में उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है, उनसे उनको रिटर्न्स आते हैं, रेवेन्यूज आते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, उन सब का बहिष्कार करें।
Guys, Kangana Ranaut is truly India's Nadia. I mean, she expresses her opinions and that too completely fearlessly. Recently, Kangana Ranaut has shown support in favor of banning the 59 apps that have been announced by the government of India amid growing tension between India and China. Not just that, she's also encouraged her fans and followers to start purchasing goods that have been produced in India in order to show patriotism. Here's the full story.
Kangana Ranaut has been very vocal about her thoughts on issues, whether it's nepotism or the current standoff between India and China. Kangana has a unique point of view on every issue and she isn't afraid to speak her mind. After creating a series of videos on the issue of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, Kangana has now turned her attention to the tension between India and China that has resulted in 59 Chinese apps being banned in India. Speaking in support of the decision, Kangana said, "I think most people are celebrating because China is, like we all know, it's a communist country and the way they have gone deep into our economy and our system. In the midst of this adversity, now they are messing with our borders in Ladakh, and they don't only want Ladakh. In the scheme of things, they want Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. They also want your Assam, and it's never ending." The Panga star, who also spoke about how China's treatment of animals had shocked the world and the current pandemic that people are battling around the globe is a form of bio-warfare that they have unleashed. She said, "I don't agree with their ways and obviously they've shown their real crude face to the world, also with this pandemic and the bio-war that they've unleashed on the world." Calling all Indians to end all connections with Chinese enterprises that can benefit economically from our country, Kangana ne kaha, "In ancient times when India led the world and the world was a prosperous and inclusive place, I do believe that we need to go back to that time. And as people, we should also encourage local stuff and try to see value in what our people do. Of course, Chinese gave you everything sasta and cheap. We should not go by that. We saw the aftermath of that sasta and cheap." आपको बता दें कि इंडिया और चाइना के बीच बढ़ते टेंशन की वजह से पिछले दिनों कई लोगों ने चाइना से आए सामान की, चाइनीज मोबाइल ऐप्स और चाइना से कोई भी डील्स करने पर बैन की मांग की थी।
उस संपत्ति से जो यहाँ से इंडिया से इकट्ठी करके जाते हैं, उस संपत्ति से हथियार खरीद के हमारे सैनिकों के सीने छन्नी करते हैं, तो क्या हम इस युद्ध में हम चाइना का साथ दे सकते हैं? आप बताइए। ये क्या हमारा कर्तव्य नहीं है कि हम अपनी सेनाओं का और अपने सरकार का साथ दें? तो हमें प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं कि हम आत्मनिर्भर बनेंगे और चाइनीज गुड्स को बिल्कुल बॉयकॉट करेंगे और इस युद्ध में हिस्सा लेके भारत को जिताएंगे। जय हिंद।